It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about Virgin Galactic stock. The ticker symbol for this stock, of course, SPCE. Today, we got an incredible turn of events to start out the market. As many of you know, Virgin Galactic was able to go out into space successfully on their mission. But today, anything but success to open the market. Currently, the market is down 11.95%, nearly 12% down for SPCE on the day. There it is again as it keeps ticking down. So we had one of those classic moments of buy the rumor, sell the news. Everybody was so excited, everybody was so hype about the mission, the trip going to space. So then it happened, and then everybody sold their stocks once that happened. Unfortunately, this is what very much happens when it comes to stocks. Most people were hoping that the stock would go up. I myself was one of those people that thought we could have a move up. I am still very optimistic about that move up. However, we cannot be foolish and ignorant, and we cannot ignore what is actually happening in the market. You can't ignore this stuff. You gotta be a realist and keep it real with yourself. Can SPCE go back up? Of course, because there's always going to be new catalysts. There's always going to be new news. There's going to be new rumors. The question at this point is how far down is it going to go? In a bearish scenario, I'm going to say it dips into the mid 30s. That's about as low or high as I'll go. I think mid 30s maybe, but the market is crazy. We have seen things like this happen where stocks go down 10%. And then they finish the day right where they started. Crazier things have happened in the market. Let's take a look though at what happened this morning. SPCE has been halted after announcing it will sell in $500 million in common stock. So they sold 4% of their entire market cap. Why is this important? It's important because it's 4% of the entire market. 500 million was literally sold in the stock. So what happens when this gets announced? Panic selling. People are selling to take their profits, and rightfully so. You can't ever tell anyone that they are in the wrong for taking profit on any stock or any investment. I keep it real with you guys. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. But yeah, back to my point. Anytime that someone makes profit on any investment, you can't blame them. It is what it is. You set out goals for yourself as an investor, whether it be a trader, a long-term investor. Some people are in it just for 10%. Those people, if they made 10%, kudos to them, congrats. But at the end of the day, a lot of us know that SPCE could be going a lot higher. There's people that doubled and tripled their money and made a lot more off of SPCE. Just depends on how long you're willing to hold and how long you're willing to risk that. I see SPCE getting back to where it was. I really do. It's just going to take more time now, especially if the market doesn't come back up quickly. This could be, of course, just another buying opportunity though. It's time to buy. If you're one of those people that believes in SPC, you have been presented another buying opportunity. This is it and it could come. So make sure that you get out there, do your research on what's happening. I'm informing people, letting you guys know that this kind of stuff does happen in the market. Look, right now it's down 11.55%, so it recovered about 0.5%. But yeah, this kind of stuff happens. You gotta see it out when it does though. Red days today, green days tomorrow though. That is what I always say. So be careful out there when it comes to Virgin Galactic when it comes to any stock. This kind of stuff can happen. But this is why you invest and you diversify in your portfolio. Because when things like this happen, you take a 10% hit. In another stock, you could be making 10%, 20% gains. And that balances out your portfolio. Never put all your eggs in one basket. That is how I feel and many other people feel. You have to diversify. But long term, in terms of the stock, nothing changes. I think Virgin Galactic will go back up to those $60 levels and beyond. Nothing changes the end game mission. Only the journey changes in terms of how it gets there. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up so we could get this video out there and move that YouTube algorithm. If you didn't like the video, keep it real with yourself. Give it a thumbs down. I don't blame you. We're here for the news and the news ain't gonna stop. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date, notified, and informed. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.